So, Dan, how was your weekend?
You know, it was okay. I went out last night, though. I was out pretty late. I'm super tired.
Oh, yeah. I know how that goes. Mondays, right?
Tell me about it. Wow. I cannot stop yawning.
Don't worry about it. Oh man, now you made me yawn.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm just only getting caught yawning at the office. It's really unprofessional.
I know.
Hey, you two, how are you?
Pretty good, Mr. Weber. How you doing?
You know, Mondays.
Dan knows how that goes, right?
Yeah, you know, I was out like a little too late last night. I'm just... Wow. I just cannot stop yawning. I'm so sorry about that.
Try to be professional, Dan. Control yourself. Joan, can I have a look at that spreadsheet you've been working on?
Yeah, this is it. Here.
Aww.
Damn it, Dan!
No, it wasn't a yawn. I was just looking at a picture of my sister's cute baby that she sent me.
Oh, listen. That's so cute. I would love to be an aunt.
Aunt!
I was saying aunt.
Guys, I keep hearing you yawn from my office and it's making me yawn. Listen, we have an important group of investors taking a tour in here, and I don't want you yawning when they're in here.
Sorry.
Yeah. Guys, you know what? I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, cool.
So, did everyone have a good weekend?
Pretty good. How was yours?
Can't complain.
Not so bad.
Did you go to the beach or the... Dan, where were you?
Oh, I had to go out into the hallway because I had to yawn.
Oh, Dan!
Dan!
What do you have to
It makes
keep
everyone
doing?
look bad when you do that.
I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
It's just embarrassing for everyone.
Okay, this is our compliance department. This way.
Well, I have to say I am very interested in investing in this company. What do you think? John? Juan? I see that you're all holding in yawns. I understand I have a very soothing voice that makes people want to yawn. Feel free. Yawn.
What are you doing?
Oh, I thought we were all singing The Lion King.
No, Tip, we were yawning.
Oh. Man, now that you mention it, I'm kind of tired too.
Have you seen